being pregnant is pretty crazy. I don't know.
Definitely.
I'm actually kind of hungry right now. Do you guys want anything? I was gonna make some microwave gummy bears. It's kind of a thing right now. I'm craving it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Sure. Okay.
I'm so bored right
Oh
now.
my god, why did we even come to this?
I know, it's not even fun. What to say?
She could have some games or something. Like the diaper one? That one's pretty fun.
Or like where we guess how big her belly is.
Yeah, that's my favorite.
I'm really bad at it.
That's okay, I'd be better than this.
I mean, I guess we're being good friends, but I'm still really bored.
But I never really liked Emily that much anyway.
Well, just don't let her hear you. What the heck?
It's okay. I mean, it's okay. There's like, there's the obligation.
True. Well, but I mean, we could have other obligations. Like, I probably have a thing.
Oh,
that I could
That's true.
go to.
That's
I
true.
have a
That's a lot more to
thing.
go to.
You know, I mean, shopping and maybe like soccer game. I don't know.
Yeah, there's
I have
like lots of things.
Lots of things. Like, maybe that's an obligation right there. I don't know. Who knows? Might as well be a good friend. Oh, hey, there's a balloon. We should totally play with it.
Oh, that's
True.
Go.
Okay.
Alright, don't let it hit the floor.
All right.
Whoa.
There you go.
Wait.
I wonder how she's doing.
Wait, is she using the microwave?
Should she be doing that?
I don't think she should. We should go check
She's
that
pregnant. She can't be using the
Oh,
microwave.
gosh. Emily, what's she doing? Emily, what are you doing?
I'm microwaving my gummy bears, guys. I thought you wanted some.
But why are you up there?
I'm watching it. What's so bad about that? I like seeing it turn around.
You're way too close to the microwave.
No, it's cool. It's cool.
No, because if you're in within like 10 centimeters of the microwave, those waves are gonna get into your belly.
Are you sure?
I'm pretty positive.
Is it gonna hurt the baby?
Yeah.
Uh-oh, why?
Well, I read this encyclopedia, the Britannica one,
Yeah.
and it said the frequency of these waves are 1 gigahertz to 1 terahertz. And that's a lot, because that's like 10 to the 9th to 10 to the 12th cycles per second.
Oh no.
Yeah, and the wavelength is 1 millimeter to 1 meter. So like that's the size of a bumblebee to a human, so that's definitely getting in your stomach right now.
Oh no. Really? Are
Yeah.
you sure?
Yeah,
Pretty
it's true.
positive.
The radiation? How old is your microwave, Emily?
I'm thinking like 20 years. I don't even know.
The radiation from the microwave travels through the door. The radiation was caused by the magnetron tube. And the
Really?
radiation goes through the door right into your belly.
Oh no.
Yeah.
Oh my
I know. I
gosh.
read a book called The Way Things Work, and it told me that microwave are extremely high frequencies. They have digital signals that just go straight in.
Straight
Oh my
to your
gosh.
stomach.
Right into your belly.
It's,
Oh,
you have no
really?
idea. It can really harm your baby.
Oh
It
my
can cause a lot
goodness.
of damage.
Lots of damage.
So I probably shouldn't be up here.
Probably.
Oh,
Yeah, that's good.
Maybe.
Maybe.
Well, what if I put something in front? Would that protect me?
Like what?
What?
Like with this? Like the water?
No.
That'd be
no.
sad.
Emily.
That would not.
Why? Why?
The waves can still go through the water.
Right? Like
into
it
your
like
belly.
vibrates it or something?
Yeah, it
It
makes
makes
the
it up?
water
Yep.
vibrate
Oh, okay.
right into your belly.
Molecules.
Okay, well then, what if I use this? Wood? It's much better.
Not much
It's
coverage.
very, look, it's fine. It's good.
Not enough coverage.
I got, it's
Yeah.
cool. No, okay. Okay. What about this one then? It's good. It's good, right?
I mean, it covers,
But waves still go through wood.
No.
Yeah.
they go right
Yeah.
through.
For
They're
reals.
little waves. They can go through.
They can definitely go through.
Are you
not good.
sure?
I'm
Yeah.
positive.
Okay. Well, should I just get down then?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I've been up here for a while. Like maybe something happened to the baby. I don't know.
I really hope
You should
not.
probably get down.
Yeah,
Why don't we just
help
get
you?
down?
Okay. Oh god. Okay.
All right.
That's
Why don't you
better.
go sit down? Emily?
Yeah. Oh.
Yeah.
okay.
Sit you
I
down.
guess I could. I mean.
Sit down.
Yeah.
Let's get you over to the couch.
Yeah. Okay. Oh my god.
Here.
Sit
down.
You okay?
Oh,
Wow. Good.
You look a little bit bigger.
A little bit.
Do you
feel
think it was the
okay?
microwave?
I don't
I
know.
don't know, but that's not
Is
normal.
it really big?
Yeah.
Oh,
It's
no.
huge.
You don't look so
Oh
hot.
You
no.
feeling okay?
I'm outside.
Yeah, we should. I want to breath the bear.
Ready? Go.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright, let's just take a
We'll
deep
go.
breath. Just come outside here.
Doing any better? Feeling better?
I don't know. I mean, I guess there's like a sharp pain on the side. My water broke. I think. I guess I should pick him up and take him inside. Guess what I'm doing.
What just happened? Like,
I-
What was that?
That was really
know.
small.
Yeah. They look okay though. I mean, it's not
Yeah.
too bad.
Two.
It was only been 3 months though. I mean,
Yeah, like.
that was scary.
Oh my god.
What is this? When that happened?
Right, you should probably put them in.
Oh, it's a little bit cold outside. Yes. Okay.
You know what? Your sign's wrong. I'll fix it. Don't worry. I have a marker with me.
I'm still kind of tired from just.
Yeah, you just stay right there.
You just sit down.
Yeah, it's 2 boys now. Do you guys want to sit down, maybe?
Sure.
There we go. A little bit better, I guess.
Yeah.
Well, can I hold one?
Can I hold one?
Yeah. Do you want the big one?
Okay.
Emily.
Wait, they're attached.
They're attached to the head.
Oh my god.
Do you think the microwave could have anything to do with
I think
this?
it was the microwave on
Yeah, this one's like really small.
Really
And
tiny.
one's kind of
What?
vanilla. I mean,
Was it the mic? Oh my gosh.
just there you go.
Oh no. 12 years later.
Come on, you guys are 12 years old. You can't just sit around playing with stuffed animals still.
Mom, we love our stuffed animals. They're the best.
Why don't you go out and play football or something? Come on.
Let's get up. All right, Mom. We'll go play some football.
Good. You guys are growing boys.
I got it. I'll get it. Ready?
Yeah.
You open?
Give it. Go long.
This is why we never play catch. This is the worst. I love our stuffed animals. They're so much better. I got it.
Just go inside.
This is the worst. Mom is always suggesting terrible ideas.
I hate her.
I hate her more. You got the doorknob? Playing catch is the worst. I love our stuffed animals.
Yeah, they're always nice to us.
Love the Chihuahua.
This guy's face is weird.
I love Joey. Mom, can you make us a snack?
Mom!
Mom.
What? Guys, you boys are old enough. You can make a snack yourself. Come on.
We'll have Dad make it for us.
The worst.
Oh my gosh. Always with this Mom. Dad, can you make our favorite warm gummy bears?
Oh, thanks,
Oh,
Dad.
Thanks, Dad. I got them.
What are you boys
best.
talking about?
Just talking to Dad.
That's not your dad. That's a microwave.
I'm pretty sure it's Dad.
No.
That's Dad.
No, that's a microwave. They were invented in World War II. The magnetron tube was used to detect the Nazi ships, the planes, before they attacked the British Isles, and yeah.
That's just not true.
No.
Dad.
It was actually later used that they could cook food with Percy Stanton in the Raytheon company, so it's not your father.
Well,
I'm not sure how Grandma would feel about that.
Yeah.
Well, actually, the first commercial microwave was the size of a refrigerator, but that's not your grandma. And that's a microwave, not your
Dad,
father.
you know that Mom's talking all this smack about you?
No.
Dad,
Dad,
say something.
defend yourself.
It's a microwave, so
He's our dad.
no.
Get green frog.
Hey, Mom.
Where are you boys going?
We're running away.
Emily,
They
you got
ran
your-
away!
What's wrong?
My little boys, they ran away!
Why?
They thought, they had this crazy idea that the microwave was their father. And I told them that it was just a microwave, and they left me.
I'm so sorry.
I know. What does that have to do with the microwave? I don't know.
I don't know. I mean, sometimes this happens with kids because I mean, microwaves. They're on the electromagnetic radiation strata, and they're pretty powerful compared to radio waves, which are right next to microwaves.
That's not what I need right now. Why would you say that to me?
It's okay.
Oh my goodness.
It's okay, Emily. It's okay.
It feels like just yesterday that they were my little babies and we were sitting right here. What happened?
Things change.
I am.
Kids grow up.
No, it's not supposed to happen like this.
If you love them, let them go.
Get out of here, Ellen! Just get out!
It'll be okay.
What do we do? What do we do?
Well, I have a thing.
Are you gonna be okay?
Yeah,
I gotta go play a game or something.
Yeah, I have a family thing.
Oh, okay.
So-
Babysitting.
Yeah, yeah, you have it.
I mean, I guess.
All right, you're
We're
good.
gonna be okay.
Yeah,